Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make tuna and vegetable spring rolls, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So for my ingredients, I have here all-purpose flour. I also have here tuna chunks in oil, some shredded cabbage, spring onions, chopped onions, breadcrumbs, carrots, a pinch of salt, and for the seasoning I'll be using white pepper, ginger and garlic powder, also ginger and garlic, and I'll also be adding to it some curry and turmeric powder. So to start with, I'll be mixing the plain flour, salt, and I'll add about 1.5 cup of water, and I'll mix it all together. So this batter mixture is for the spring roll wrap. So I'll mix it very well until it becomes very smooth. Next, I'll be using a griddle pan, and with the pastry brush, I'll spread the butter on it on a low heat. So I'll wait for 1 minute until the edges start to separate from the pan. It's very easy to use the griddle pan. So I'll go ahead and repeat the same process until it's all done. And also you have to cover all the tiny holes with the butter to ensure when you add the vegetables it doesn't leak. Now I'll keep repeating until it's all done. So next I'll be making the spring rolls filling. Into a saucepan I'll add some oil, the ginger and garlic on a low heat. Then I'll add in the carrots, so I'll add in a little bit of oil because it's too dry. Next I'll add in the tuna chunks. And I'll give it a stir. So I've added in my cabbage, and I've added in the spring onions, and also the turmeric powder and curry powder. Now I'm adding in the white pepper, onion and ginger powder. Now I'm going to add in the breadcrumbs and a little bit of water to combine the vegetables together. You can also use cornstarch if you have it. Now add in a little bit water. So I'll now set it aside for it to cool down before I use it for the filling. Next, I'll be mixing 1 cup of flour with water, and I'll mix it well and set it aside for the spring roll wrap to seal the spring rolls. And for the spring roll wraps, I have cut or trimmed the edges to make the sealing very nice and smooth. So I've cut the crusty edges. This was inspired by sweet ajele. Sweet ajele, I can testify to this. It was so crunchy, and as sweet ajele said, nothing comes to a waste in my kitchen. Same as Lydia's kitchen, nothing comes to a waste. So I'll be frying the crust. So keep watching to see the results. Now I'm going to add in my vegetables, and I'll be rolling the spring rolls. To get a very nice spring rolls, you add in your vegetables and you fold the 2 sides of the rolls until to the end and seal it with the butter mixture. So as you can see, I'll add in a little bit of my vegetables. So I'll roll once and then I'll fold the 2 sides together, and I'll roll again until I get to the edge. Now I'll be sealing it with the butter mixture. And it's very simple and easy, just like that. Now I'll continue the process until I finish. Then we will start frying. And if you have watched until this point and you are enjoying this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share, and turn on your bell notification on for more videos. And at this point, I'm done with the filling, and it's looking nice and clean and ready for frying. Now I have my oil heated, and I'll start dropping the spring rolls, and I'll be frying it for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Now I'll be frying the crusty edges that I trimmed. So yes, as I said in Sweet Ajele's voice, nothing is wasted in my kitchen, same as Lydia's kitchen. And at this point, my spring rolls are all done. It's looking beautiful, delicious and crunchy. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Now I'm going to be serving it with some sweet chili sauce. Spring rolls goes well with sweet chili sauce, so you can try that. So as you can see, it's easy to break and it's very crunchy. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Oh, it's so nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and try the crusty edges. So as I said, this was inspired by Sweet Ajele. Sweet Ajele, I can now testify to this. It's very nice and crunchy. Thank you so much for the tips. It didn't go to waste. My kids enjoyed it. So Sweet Ajele Jiwu too. Thank you all so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.